goes. See that turning? Separation. There it goes. And just like that, there you go, people. Just like that, you've got your butter and your buttermilk. It happens really fast. I love it. Yay for me. Bye, till next time.